Going to set the field now for the 3A championship. 1,600 runners to the tent, 1,600 runners to the tent. For the 3A championship, into the blocks. Tauja Foreman, Evanston Township, the Wildcats in 1. Alyssa Morello, Lake Zurich, Lake County in 2. Georgia Reed, the Geneva Vikings in 3. Hallie Bieber, Naperville North in 4. LaJarvia Brown, Alton Senior in the middle in 5. Savannah Long of the DeKalb Barbs in 6. Alexis Pierre-Antoine, Lincoln Way East, Frankfort in 7. Tara Schumacher, Oswego East in 8. And Anna Baltudis, Chicago Lane Tech on the outside in 9. We can go to the starter. And we're underway. Brown trying to bring Alton Senior to more points, and boy, she got the jump. That is LaJarvia Brown. She is a senior for the Redbirds. Madison County. Alton. Now, as they hit the curve, it tightens a little. Brown, Beaver, Long. It's Brown, but there's Alexis Pierre-Antoine on the outside. She's the challenger, but inside of her is Savannah Long. But now it's Brown all alone. Alexis Pierre-Antoine trying to make up the stagger. She's now into second for Lincoln Way East, but no, here is Long. Long and Brown. It's Alexis Pierre-Antoine, and it is Long. It's a race to the finish. Who is it? I can't tell. I cannot tell. It may very well be Long of DeKalb. It's probably 6. It may be Long. Give it to DeKalb. 43-34 for Long, and a battle in the last 10 meters. Pierre-Antoine, Frankfort Lincoln Way East is second. Brown, third at 43-47. Look at that. It is within the tenths. Then Bieber of Naperville. Schumacher, Oswego East. Baltudis is there for Lane Tech. And Morello, Lake Zurich. But in a classic 1-2-3 finish.